I'm back again, getting our second one in. I am very sleep deprived, but that's okay. So, one, you might hear a mower going on through this because the maintenance here decides to freaking mow the lawn at 7 a.m. and in the middle of the day. No thank you. And then my roommate's frogs, she has to take them home. The school's not allowing her to keep them. I'm gonna miss Paul. I'm gonna miss Paul in the soul. I'm gonna miss when he croaks and wakes me up in the middle of the night. Because I can't complain about anything else to them. But so this one back. This one is one of the ones that got commented. So it's next. Is Agnez Mo, Sebuah Rasa. I can't even pronounce English words, guys. I'm sorry. But when I looked it up, there's a music video, so this person wanted Super Solo, which is a live performance. You can't react to live performances, because I do watch live performances, but it's kind of hard with Agnez Mo, because all you do is get, trapped by the song, and you just, don't have much of a reaction to it. But that Lawnmower! I'm gonna start the song. Feel all types of emotion in, getting ready. Let's see how this goes. Agnez Mo. Some name of the song I can't pronounce. I'm sorry. There's a moon. Damn Lawnmower! Right off the bat. It kind of has a galaxy aspect to it. Alright, that's it. I'm pausing it. I'm closing those goddamn windows. I tried to close it. One could close. The second one couldn't because of the fan. Now I'm frustrated. But I'm gonna get back to Agnez Mo. Because she's an angel. And currently, Galaxy Goddess. Tribute. Her makeup and eye is always on point. If I even knew a smidge about makeup. Oh, there's shattered ground underneath her. Not the screen lights. I have to say in live performances when they do blue lights, why do they do that? Because they know it affects people, including when they're recording. It affects them. She's a freaking Galaxy Goddess right now. Look at her. She's a Galaxy Goddess. Woo! Oh, crescent moon now. It's not full moon, it's crescent moon. Oh, that's so bad. That's more witchy, not Galaxy Goddess. Now she's witchy. She'd be a good witch. Or a beautiful evil one. Her makeup's always on point. Oh, this starts being. Oh my god. It was black and white. Now she's got color in her. Look at it. Yo. Okay, this song reminds me that it's at a movie point where it's getting to a sad point, somebody's dying, car accident or something like that. And this is the song that they play, just from the tone. Fire the soul. Her teeth are so perfect too. I don't like that camera angle. Oh, I do like seeing the way her hair is though, from the back view, but I don't like that camera angle. There's so much anguish in it. I want to see her performing live so bad. So bad. I'm cheering for you too, girl. I'm cheering for you too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, Agnez Mo, back at it again with the performance. Yes, yes. Okay. She's somebody I definitely love listening to. Live performance is always beautiful, but why is it you guys always want me to look up the live performances that are sad? None of the crazy ones. I've watched the crazy music videos, but none of you guys ever want me to watch that live. Oh god, it just gave ideas to make me watch more live performances. But I like Agnez Mo. That'll never change. You can tell she's been at this for a long time. Yo, I'm so glad she's in America now. I am so glad. Whew. Agnez Mo, man. Alright, guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'll miss you, Paul.